This is our lesson video number 2 for the week 4 of May 2021. Let's start. We are still on Unit 6 and the title of our unit is Jeans Day. Please get your student book and turn to page 51. Get your student book and turn to page 51. Let's start our class. We are now on lesson 4 and lesson 4 is all about phonics. So we will do 4 activities or 4 exercises for this lesson video. 1, we are going to do listen, point, and repeat with OY and OY spellings. OY and OI spellings. 2, we are going to do listen and chant. 3, we are going to complete the exercise on your student book. Circle the words with OY and OY. So that means OY and OI. And 4, we are going to do match and write. So get your pencils ready and get your student books ready. So let's start our class. We are now on lesson 4, phonics, page 51. And we are going to learn the OY and OI spellings. Let's start. Let's start with OY spellings. These are the words with OY spellings. We have boy, toy, oyster. Boy, toy, oyster. These are the words with the OY spelling. O and Y say oy. Let's move to our OI spellings. O and I say oy. Coin, oil, soil. Again, coin, oil, soil. This time, we are going to listen to the audio and we are going to do listen and point. So you have to listen carefully to the audio and once you hear the word, you point to the pictures on your student book. On our first picture, this is a boy, toy, and then we have oyster. Then we have coin, oil, and soil. So let's listen to this.
Listening 61. Listen and point.
Boy, toy, oyster, coin, oil, soil, oil, soil, boy, toy, oyster, coin.
Listen and repeat.
Boy, toy, oyster, coin, oil, soil.
Alright, that's all for our listen and point and listen and repeat. So let's do some further practice. Let's proceed to our exercise 2 and that is listen and chant. Let's read the words first. Roy is a boy. A boy, boy, boy. Playing with a toy. A toy, toy, toy. He can see a coin. A coin, coin, coin. Let's do listen and chant. If you can read the words and if you can sing along, that would be better. Let's do listen and chant.
Listening 62. Listen and chant. Roy is a boy. A boy, boy, boy. Playing with a toy. A toy, toy, toy. He can see a coin. A coin, coin, coin.
Good. That's all for our listen and chant. This time, let's proceed to our exercise number 3. Get your pencils ready and we are going to circle the words with OY and OI spelling. Let's start with the first line. Roy is a boy. Which words has OY spelling? Okay, we are going to circle the words with OY and OI spelling. Roy is a boy. Which words has OY and OI spelling? We have the word, yes, Roy, and the word boy. Roy is a boy. Roy, O-Y, boy, O-Y. A boy, boy, boy. Which word has the OY spelling? Yes, the word boy. So we will circle that one. Boy, boy, and another one, boy. Alright, there you go. Let's proceed to our next line. Playing with a toy. Which words has the OY or OI spelling? Yes, toy. So circle that word. Circle toy. Next, a toy, toy, toy. Yes, toy. Toy. Toy, and another one, toy. Let's read. He can see a coin. Which word has the OY or OI spelling? Yes, we have the OI. Where? Coin. Good. So circle coin. Next, a coin, coin, coin. Which word has the OY or OI spelling? Yes, coin. OI. OI spelling. Coin, coin, and coin. Alright, very good. Let's proceed to our last exercise. Here, we are going to do match and write. Get your pencils ready. So look at number 1. Number 1, this is soil. Number 2. Okay, you have to identify the names of the pictures. And then here on the first box, we have the OY. And on the second box, we have the OI. What we will do is we are going to look for the word. You can find the word on your student book exercise 1 with listen, point, and repeat. Okay? So we will write the words on the line and match. For example, number 1, this is a soil. Soil has what spelling? OY or OI? OI. So we are going to draw a line and match soil to OI. Let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, what's this? Number 2, this is a boy. Yes, so write boy. B-O-Y. And the boy has what spelling? O-Y or O-I? Yes, O-Y. Good. Number 3, what's this? It's an? Yes, it's an oyster. So write oyster. Oyster has what spelling? O-Y or O-I? O-Y. Very good. So write, draw a line and connect to O-Y. Let's move to number 4. Number 4, this is a, yes, a coin. So write on your book, coin. And the coin has what spelling? O-Y or O-I? Yes, it's O-I. And number 5, this is an oil. Yes, oil. Oil has what spelling? O-Y or O-I? Yes, O-I. And the last one is number 6. This is a toy. Good, right? Toy. And what spelling? O-Y or O-I? It's O-Y. Good job. Alright, so these are the words with O-Y and O-I spellings. Number 1, soil. Number 2, boy. Number 3, oyster. Number 4, coin. Number 5, oil. And number 6, toy. Alright, so this is where our lesson 4 phonics ends. Okay, for your further exercise, complete the exercise on your workbook, page 51. Okay, complete the exercise on your workbook, page 51. This is our class work for this lesson. For your further practice, complete the exercise on your workbook, page 51. And once you are done, take a photo and send to my messenger. Alright? See you on our next lesson video. Goodbye and thank you for watching.